Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're unable to install Epic Games Store or Epic Games Launcher from Microsoft Store, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now before you try any troubleshooting steps, you can try to install Epic Games Launcher from the website. Go to the official website. You can search in Google and you can go to Epic Games official website, and over here click on download and try to install Epic Games Launcher from the official website. And then once the download is complete, you can run this exe file, install it, and then check. If that does not work, you can try these steps to install it from Microsoft Store. Now the first step is to make sure date, time zone is correct on your computer. At the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, click on adjust date and time. Make sure set time zone automatically. If this is off, turn it on. Also set time automatically. If this is off, turn it on. Also sync now. Click on sync now. This is important. Now go to time and language, language and region, and make sure your country is selected over here. Still not working? Run wsreset command. So type in wsreset in Windows search box, click on wsreset command. This will reopen Microsoft Store, and then you can try to install, and then you can check. Still not working? The next step is to repair or reset store. Now for this you can type in Microsoft Store in Windows search box, make a right click on Microsoft Store, go to app settings, and then on this page scroll down, click on terminate first, and once that is done, click on repair, and after the repair you can check. Still not working? You can even reset, and after the reset you can open Microsoft Store on your computer and then try to install Epic Games Launcher. Epic Games. Now try to install it, and then you can check. Still not working? The next step is to delete Microsoft Store local cache folder. Now for this you can go to this location, open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive. Now open users folder, your username folder. Now open AppData folder. Now open the local folder. Now if you don't see AppData over here, at the top click on view, select show, put a check on hidden items, and then open AppData folder. Now open the local folder. Now find the packages, open the packages folder. Find Microsoft Windows Store folder. So over here you can see Microsoft Windows Store underscore some alphanumeric character. Open this folder, make a right click on local cache folder, and then delete it. Now relaunch. After this you have to reopen Microsoft Store, and then you can check. Next step is to start these services. Now for this type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find Microsoft Store install service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on Microsoft Store install service, click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down somewhere at the bottom you will find Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK, make a right click, and then click on restart. Now once done, now run this PowerShell command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy this command, type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only, click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here, hit the enter key, and this will re-register all the Microsoft Store apps. And during this process you will see some errors in red color. So if you see errors like this in red color, just ignore it, let the process complete. Once this is complete you will see everything red, and then you have to restart your PC. After the system restart you can check. Next is to try installing from library or downloads. So go to Microsoft Store, you can see I'm receiving the error message. Now you can go to downloads. Once you go to downloads, if you see retry or download option, you can try to install it again from here. If that does not work, in that case you can go to library, and when you go to library, if you find Epic Games Launcher over here, you can try to install it from here. In my case I have it in downloads, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to uninstall and reinstall store. Now for this, copy the first command, type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now run the first command. This will uninstall Microsoft Store on your computer. Once uninstalled, you can copy the second command. This command is also provided in the video description. Paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. This will reinstall Microsoft Store on your computer, and then you can relaunch Microsoft Store and then try to install Epic Games Launcher once again from here. Now still not working. The next step is to run these two commands. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once, it will take some time, it will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. And once the scan is 100% complete, restart your PC, and then you can try to install Epic Games Launcher once again from the store. Still not working, run inet cpl.cpl command. So type in inet cpl.cpl in Windows search box, click on it, and then go to advanced tab, scroll down, make sure use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, all four are checked, and then hit apply. Apply is important. Click on OK. Relaunch store. Each time you have to relaunch store and then check. Next is to update Windows. Now for this, you can go to Windows Update, click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Next is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option, go to Recovery option. Over here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then open Microsoft Store and then try to install Epic Games Store. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install Epic Games Launcher successfully on your Windows computer from Xbox app, or you can even use Microsoft like website. You can even install it from the website as I've shown in the very beginning. You can install it from the website, or you can install it from Microsoft Store, and then you can launch it. So in my case, it was installed. It's updating the Epic Games Launcher. Once this is done, you should be able to use the launcher. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.